How to fix Reddit login not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix Reddit login not working. So if in order to fix Reddit login issue, you could start by checking the Reddit status page. You could just go to down detector and check whether there is an issue with the server itself as well. And here you could just go ahead and select that out and check whether there is an issue with the server or not. Next, what you also want to do is ensure that your credentials are correct. You do not have any sort of incorrect information. You want to double check all the informations as well. Now you have to disable your VPN as it can cause an issue with the Reddit login problem as well. And you also want to make sure to disable any sort of ad block extension as well. If nothing works out, you want to go to your settings on your device, locate apps from the list and go to Reddit and make sure to clear cache. That should also be able to help. Next, you also want to make sure to restart your device as sometimes a temporary glitch can be fixed with the login issue as well. So this is how you're going to fix Reddit login not working. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.